Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the online class of Salam College School and College. I hope that you are well. Now I am going to discuss about uses of hand-operated agricultural machinery. So our today's topic is uses of hand-operated agricultural machineries. Dear students, this is the chapter 2 and open at page 15. Dear students, look at the picture. Do you see the picture? This is bari plow and this is mold board plow. In the next page, we will see the picture. This is bari seat, drill, knapsack sprayer. This is pedal, thresher, and this is bari pump. So I will describe this machine. Number one, bari plow. You have seen the bari plow. I know that in rural area it is uses for land. Half time is required to prepare the whole land in comparison with the country plow, and its advantage is no area of land is left without cultivation in the first plow. It has three characteristics. Number one, bari plows are used to cut and turn over the soil. Number two, width and depth of cultivation is more than country plow. Number three, both wet and dry land can be cultivated. Then number two, mold board plow. Mold it is similar to bari plow. Look at the picture. Both are almost same. Mold board plow is more effective than country plow. Its advantages: every part of this plow is made of iron. This plow cultivates and turns the soil into rectangular chunk. Rectangular means this is rectangular and this is a square. Okay, dear students, do you understand? In the next page, number 3, bari seat sewing machine. Number 3, bari seat sewing machine. Dear students, look at the picture. It has 3 wheels like a rickshaw. It is a hand operated seat sewing machine. Its advantages are seats can be sewn in right distance and depth. By each seat, germination becomes good and less quantity of seeds are required. And number 4, pesticide spraying machine. Pesticide spraying machine. Look at the picture. This is knapsack sprayer. Its name is knapsack sprayer. A sprayer is used to control crop disease and insect. Water mixed pesticide is filled up and then sprayed, having a stagger hold at a fixed height. Main parts of this sprayer are number 1 nozzle, number 2 trigger, number 3 pumpkin, number 3 pumping valve, number 4 barrel, and number 5 pesticide spraying hose pipe, and number 5 pedal thresher. Pedal thresher. It is an improved hand operated paddy or wheat threshing machine. Its important parts are a drum with tin, a pedal attached to the drum. The drum is rotated with the help of pedal and crops are pressed by the strokes of the tins. It is used to thresh paddy and wheat. It is fully made with local technology. And the last one is Bari pump. Number 6, Bari pump. Bari pump is a low lift pump. It can be made locally. It is modern irrigation technology. Merits are more water can be raised, water can be lifted from underground and subsurface. Dear students, here are the new words. Look at the book. New words: Bari plow, mold boot plow, Bari seed sowing machine, pedal presser. You will read it attentively. And this is your homework. Describe the uses of hand operated agricultural machine. And this is your homework. And try to do it at home. No more today. Till then, Allah Hafiz.